In this video, we'll show you how to get predictive insights using historical data. You'll also learn how to check how accurate your predictions are and how you can improve their quality. We'll follow a simple scenario. Let's say that you handle product marketing for a major bank. You want to kick off a campaign to boost sales of a product called Deposit Account. The trouble is that you don't have a lot of budget, so you need to find a way to do it cheaply. Your best strategy is to only target those clients most likely to open a deposit account. To find customers that fit into your target group, you'll use a classification predictive scenario. You'll be guided to create a predictive model. As the dataset with your customer and product information is already available in SAP Analytics Cloud, go ahead and select it as your input dataset. Next up, you choose your target variable. You want to group customers into those that have already opened a deposit account and those that haven't. In your dataset, the target variable is the column with values that answer this question. Now, you decide how to use the other variables in your dataset. Smart Predict can take into account all of them or just the most relevant ones. We'll choose to explore relationships using all of the variables. Save and train your predictive model. Once the training is finished, and you don't have any errors, you'll see the results as KPIs that you can use to predict which customers are most likely to open a deposit account and the others that won't. You can evaluate how much you can trust the prediction and also study the characteristics of customers who are most likely to open a deposit account. Let's have a look at the two main performance indicators. Predictive power tells you how well your predictive model detects customers who will open a deposit account. The closer it gets to 100%, the better. With 69%, your predictive model is pretty good, so we can move on to look at the next indicator. Prediction confidence tells you how reliable your predictive model is. Just how much can you rely on it to predict a future customer's behavior? Your one gets a score of 97%, which is good. Let's see if we can improve the performance of your predictive model. Duplicate your predictive model to create a new version of the current one with the same settings. For the first model version, we took into account all of the variables in the dataset. Now we'll let Smart Predict choose only those variables that do the best job of explaining why customers open a deposit account. Save and train the new predictive model. In the predictive model list, you can easily compare the performances of both predictive models. The second version looks better as both indicators have increased. So you'll get better predictions using the second predictive model. To see more on Smart Predict or SAP Analytics Cloud, check out the SAP Analytics channel on YouTube or visit our SAP Help Portal site.